Hey guys, what's up? I hope everybody's fine and doing great. This is Pro Trader, and this is the last weekly analysis for the 2025. So before I begin my weekly analysis, let me first tell you that currently we have a new subscription group which has 50 slots and all the packages you are seeing in front of your screen. I don't have to tell you anything. If you want, you can join it up. 50 slots are available. Once the 50 slots are full, next group will be announced after 2-3 months. Besides that, we have a free Telegram group, community group, and free Telegram gold group in which one daily gold signal is given. Let's having FOMC that we have there's no high impact news. So the price of gold is gold, but last FOMC meeting we did have a rate cut and gold price went upward after that. And pretty much the reason for this upward momentum is that Ukraine and Russia are escalating the war despite the ceasefire. The agreement is on the table, but they're exceeding the war, and pretty much besides that, America has opened attacks on ISIS in Nigeria. So we have a new war front, and pretty much the gold price is going up for the same reason. Is there is a rumor too that government shutdown can happen in January too. So gold safe haven purchase is pretty much in everybody's mind. Silver has also made all-time high. Silver was seen $80, more than $80 in the open market in China, which is alarming. Keep in mind that if the gold, silver, copper, everything is going up, this is a clear indication sign that something is broken in the financial market, and silver and gold is an indicator which shows off early signs that something is really bad, something is really wrong in the financial market. And as far as I'm concerned, Joe Biden has totally messed up the entire Fed monetary policy in his tenure, and they, as far as I know, currently the only thing the central banks are doing in order to fight inflation is printing money, and that's just pretty much it. And by 2030, US government will have nearly $900 billion of debt which they have to pay off, and how they are paying off is by printing money. Nearly 50% of the money they are printing, which is somewhere in between 50 to 60 billion dollars per year, is already paid in for the debt which the US government owns. So not just the US government, pretty much every central bank in the world is printing money in order to erase off the inflation from their books, and pretty much that's the plan. But if I generally talk about what has happened in 2024 and 2025, as you can see, from August till nearly October 2023, gold was in a sideways range. It did not even break past $2,000 range. But right after that, after the 7th October attack, gold broke past $2,000 range, and from February 2024 till now, gold is just in an upward momentum. Keep in your mind that new Fed chair will come in next year in May 2026, and before that, pretty much Powell is gonna be deciding, but we don't even know who's gonna be the next Fed chair. There are two options who's gonna be. Pretty much rate cut is on the table. People are still pricing in 2 rate cuts for the next year, and after that, whatever the Fed might go hawkish, so Fed might go dovish. So you have to be really careful now. No swing trades, no long-term trades. Just gonna go intraday trade, or even if you wanna hold 1-2 days. Buy is the easy way up, and sell is the hard way down. Selling will be really difficult. This is why we have to keep an eye on the FOMC minutes we have on Tuesday. So we have to keep update on each and every step. each and every tweet FOMC member does, FOMC minute comes, what's gonna be the what's gonna be the data, how the data is coming, CPI, PC, whatever that's coming out from the US will have an impact on the Fed decision. So pretty much next year we will rely on data, and keep in mind that this thing cannot keep on going up. We all know that from this was a gold has been up by more nearly 70% and is the most profitable equity asset, and but everything goes up, for whatever goes up has to come down. We don't know when it will come down, but for that we have to keep an eye on the Fed chair policy. If they're hawkish, the gold will melt, gold will do really sharp retracement correction. That is an option. It's always an option. As I say, it's really risky. Going back to weekly time frame, as you can see, we had a 2 weekly red candles, and afterwards, this is just because of the geopolitical tension, we are seeing the price up, and price can consistently keep on moving up. So let's go to other time frame so I can guide you guys what we have to do, what's the trade plan will be for the coming days, for the coming weeks. Let's go and see the, first of all, let's see the elite wave. If I generally just talk about the elite wave, we are at the third impulse wave. This can either be the continuation of the fifth wave, gold price can keep on moving up this coming week, or if it does a retracement, just expect the price to drop down till 4200 or might 4300. We have a strong support area near 4320, for nearly 4313, 4310, 4312, something like this. This area is a strong support. Price might try to retest this zone, after which it will move on with the fifth impulse wave. For those who follow elite wave strictly like me, this area will be a buyback opportunity, but we have to see the progress of Ukraine-Russia ceasefire negotiation. This, how long the ceasefire lasts, might be a month or two, and then the fighting might carry on. Anyways, what the Fed chair policy will be, everything is in focus. Moving on to the next step, we have a 2026 in question. What will happen? Just like the last time we had a sideways range, it was in April, from in between April till August 2025, and this sideways range hold on. A couple of months back, nearly in October, we were expecting that this might be the sideways range, but this was not the case. We might see a correction coming in a couple of weeks after the FOMC minutes, but in May, new Fed FOMC member, new Fed chair will be appointed. So as soon as he's appointed, we will have a clear direction. Either the Fed is hawkish or dovish, but before that, even J. Powell can be hawkish in comments in meetings. So keep an eye on that. Everything is, we are relying on data now, but as far as I know, gold is really easy to trade. It's just buy and forget. Again, I'm saying, if retracement comes in, you will see heavy retracement, nearly $200, $300, $100 correction moves, and then the price will keep on moving up, because we have lots of FOMO buyers coming in. Again, I'm saying the price is up because something is broken in the financial market. And to be honest, if I take into consideration my view of 2024, 2025, is that I was always looking for opportunities to make really big money, and I was just always looking for at a easy trade, and I was thinking maybe that it's gonna drop down and nearly the bear market will start and we will make big money, but that was not the case. Gold just went on going up, and I realized something. The opportunity I was looking was right in front of me all this time, and I didn't realize that, but I realized it too late now. Gold is nearly 4400, in between 44 to 4500, but it's not too late. We might even see gold hitting for nearly $6,000, $7,000 next year. So what's the trade plan? Our trade plan is, whenever gold price will go down, we will short time go for the sell and long time try to hold. And if you ask me what my opinion will be on every drop, if you buy, try to hold that buy for more than a week. If it goes up, cross the $100 price tag, then of course it's going up and now it's coming down. So again, next year I will be trying to hold my buy positions on every drop. I will wait for those drops, and whenever it will drop, I will hope that I have enough money that I can hold on to my buys, and hope you guys too, and hold on to these buys trade. And if we are able to hold on to these buy trades, then it will be really good. And again, I will be live streaming, and on my live stream I will be updating you guys regarding each and every step. As for now, the only thing I can say is that we have FOMC meeting minutes and unemployment claim, and the gold price can drop nearly $80 to $70 on intraday Monday on Tokyo Open. So keep an eye on that. In between Tokyo, London, even New York, it can do a retracement, but if it doesn't, just buy and keep on scalping. I will see you guys on Monday live stream. Till then, take care of yourself. Before I go again, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. We have free Telegram group and free gold group. Besides that, premium signal subscription is available. All the packages are there. We have a lifetime, quarterly, 3 monthly and monthly packages available. And the 13th batch of Pro Wolf Trader beginner batch will be starting soon, and advanced batch will be announced soon. So keep an eye for the updates. Thank you for watching the stream, and thank you for being the part of Pro Wolf Trader community. I hope 2026 bring us lots of profit, good memories, and a really healthy lifestyle, and lots of happiness in your life. And I hope everybody is fine, healthy, happy, and progressive. And if you are not, don't worry, just hang in there, keep fighting. We have to live this life. We have to fight every day, and never give up. Never give up. If you are having a bad time, never give up. You are still here, you survived, you are alive. That means a lot. If nobody to in this goddamn world, just for yourself, you survived another day. So be proud of yourself, no matter what anybody says to you or what they think about you. Anyways, I'm wrapping off 2025 with this last weekly analysis, and I will try to keep my weekly analysis up every week, and I will be live streaming too. I hope that next year brings good luck for all of us, as 2025 was a really roller coaster. Anyways, this is Pro Wolf Trader signing off. Happy New Year in advance. Take care of yourself.